Welcome to my new yoga practice, which is focused on the balance of your hormones during menstruation and soothing cramps or any pain dedicated to a menstruation cycle. Don't suppress any emotions during practice and just let everything flow naturally. You are gonna need mat and some yoga blocks. Now let's begin. Start at a comfortable seated position and just start by closing your eyes and breathing deeply to your lower belly and lower back. Maybe try to massage your lower belly, area around the pelvis, anywhere where you feel you need some gentle touch. Really try to feel yourself and anything that comes. Don't judge how it looks, just how you feel it. Every sensation. Now Chin Mudra, connect your thumb and point fingers and place your hands onto your knees facing upwards. Now inhale, exhale out. Focus just on this moment now. Nothing else matters, just you and your body during this beautiful period of month, which allows you to go deeper into your emotions, into your more feminine side. Now little circles with your head to relax the tension in your neck. Change direction. This time of the month encourages you to be in your yin energy, your passive and feminine side. So just feel it. Feel it by circles with your upper body. Sit bones are still grounded. And now change direction. Really be fluid and gentle on yourself here. Now slowly, seated butterfly pose. Connect your feet and let your knees fall towards the ground. Bend forward for a second. Breathe in. Breathe out. And now waves with your upper body. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, fall to the ground. Now slowly let your body be bended forward. Now for a little longer. Breathe deeply. Beautiful pose for relaxing your lower back and tension in your pelvis. Each pose which opens the hips is good for the menstruational period. It opens up the storage of your emotions. Now slowly connect your knees and we are gonna go full force, wrist under your shoulders. Inhale, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round the spine, look down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down, press to the palms. Now little circles to a child's pose and back to full force. Be creative here, no movement is wrong. Really just feel yourself here. Now connect your toes, open knees wide, and again, waves forward and back to a child's pose. waves with your body, forward and back. Be creative and sensual here. Don't worry about nothing. It's just you and your body here. Now slowly lay onto your belly to a Sphinx pose, elbows underneath your shoulders, head is raised, and breathe through your lower belly. Feel how your belly expands and press to the ground with each inhale, and with each exhale go deeper into the bend. Don't collapse there, watch out your position. You can maybe try a harder bend if you feel up to it. Upward facing dog. Go onto your palms and raise your glutes from the ground. Now slowly raise your hips to a downward facing dog and walk it to the spot here. Stretch those chins. One side, now the other. And now a little twist. Stay in your downward facing dog and just raise your left arm and grab your right ankle or hamstring on the outside. With each exhale, go a little bit further. Now center and same thing, right leg. Now return to center. Bend your knees, sit onto your heels to a child's pose. Now downward facing dog. Now slowly walk to the front of your mat, forward fold. You can have a micro bend in your knees and just grab your opposite elbows and swing side to side. Now inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. Now inhale, vertebra by vertebra, stand up. Inhale, little back bend. Exhale, Angelina Mudra, prayer position. Just stand tall and focus on inhaling to your lower belly and even massage your belly again. Really give yourself a love that you need right now. Now slowly inhale, little back bend up. Exhale, slowly forward fold. Now stand hip width apart. Lower your pelvis down, and you can use maybe yoga block under your pelvis to ease up your Panasana squat. And just swing in your hips side to side. Play with it. Release any tension in your hips. And now slowly we are gonna go up. Inhale to standing. Exhale down again. Inhale up to standing star. Exhale down to Panasana. Again. Inhale up. exhale down. Now if you want a little modification here, you can hug your left arm around your left leg and connect your hands behind your back. A little twist in your Malasana. And if it's too hard for you, you can still stay in your center of your Malasana pose. Now release your hands and try other side if you are in a twist variation. Release your arms, center, and now sit, legs be bended in front of you, and wipers to release the hips from Malasana. Just let your knees fall to one side and then the other. Inhale, center, exhale, twist. Now our frog pose, go onto your knees. Slowly slide your knees apart, 90-degree angle in your knees. Feet are flexed and now you can rest onto your palms or elbows, or use yoga block to support your pelvis here. Now slowly press into the floor, connect your knees together and sit to the ground. Now Upavishta Konasana, wide-legged forward fold. Open your legs as wide as it's comfortable to you, and we are gonna slowly lower our body down. With exhale, you can stay on your palms the whole time, elbows, or lay on the ground. Depends on your flexibility. Again, use yoga block if you need. Now slowly go up with your body. Bend your knees and connect them together. Now we are gonna do our Virasana stretch to our quadriceps. We are gonna just sit onto our heels and rotate our chins externally. Now slowly lower the body down to your elbows or fully to the ground. Just feel this amazing stretch and breathe. If you start to feel any pain in your knees, just easen up the pose or go out of this pose. We don't want our knees to hurt. We want just feel the beautiful stretch in our quadriceps. Slowly go up with your body, support yourself with your hands. And now straight your legs in front of you to our Panasana, forward fold. Inhale, straight your body. And slowly, vertebra by vertebra, lower your body down. You can bend your knees to decrease stretch in your hamstrings. With each exhale, go a little bit deeper. Now vertebra by vertebra go up, and now lay on your back, bend your knees to our bridge pose. Slowly lift your butt to the ceiling and inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, return them back, and again. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, back. Again, inhale up. Exhale down, slowly lower your body down. And now make a ball with your body. Massage the lumbar spine. Now just press your chins against your palms. This is called Panasana, again pose which helps to reduce pressure in your pelvis and belly. Slowly lower and straight your left leg down and press your right leg close to your body. Now grab onto your big toe and straight your leg up. And now just let your knee fall towards the right side to a half happy baby pose. Maybe straight it too if it's comfy to you. If you can't reach to your leg, you can use a t-shirt or yoga straps. Now return to a center and same thing on the other leg. Grab onto your big toes, straight your leg up. Your loins are still on the ground the whole time. And now let your knee fall towards the left side to a half happy baby pose. Maybe straight it again if it's comfy to you, a variation of happy baby pose. Bend your knee, return to center, and now our fish pose to really open chest and relax those abs. So simply place your palms facing downward underneath your butt, press into your elbows and tuck the ground of your head on the floor. Feet are flexed. maybe easier modification is supported fish with block under your back instead of elbows, or harder modification, as I do, full lotus pose with your legs, and same thing, fish bend. Slowly place your palms again under your butt, and same thing. Choose your modification based on your experience and just breathe. This harder modification is maybe better with some support from your friend. Now slowly press into your elbows, chin tucked to the chest, head relaxed. And now slowly, easy twist to one side. One modification are both knees on one side. Harder modification of this twist is just one knee to the other side. Shoulders are still on the ground. And just breathe. Now return to center, and again, one modification are both knees on one side. Harder modification of this twist is just one knee to the other side. Now return to center, make a ball with your body again, massage the lumbar spine, and now full happy baby pose, Anandasana. Just grab your big toes or your outer instep and let your knees fall towards the sides. Maybe rock side to side just like a happy baby, and enjoy this beautiful pose which brings you joy and openness to your life. Now return your legs back. And now our final pose, Shavasana, corpse pose. Or if you wish, you can stay in your reclined butterfly pose to open that pelvis one more time. Place your hands on your belly, pelvis, and just breathe. Focus on your inner voice here, what it tells you. How does your body feel now? Maybe feel the grounding sensation in your whole body. Your emotions are not your weakness. It's your divinity. It's your connection with the other world. Don't let the emotions guide you fully, but give them that voice, that power. Let them speak loud. And just breathe. Inhale, feel your belly raise, and exhale, melt to the ground. Exhale everything out. If you wish to stay here longer, do so. Anyway, we will close off our practice with slowly roll on your side to a fetal pose, eyes still closed, and just give yourself a big hug or a touch where you need it. You are loved, you are enough, you are perfect. Now slowly sit up to a comfy pose and we are gonna close off our practice. Biggest inhale of the day, arms up. Exhale, prayer position, and bow to yourself, to your body, to the life force which pulsates inside you. Thank you for being here. Namaste.